Okay, good afternoon everybody. Today I am taking a class in structure, okay, which come under C language. It is a very important chapter in C language, okay. And my name is Rizwan. I am a computer teacher of Micropark Computer Center, Tumkur. Now what I will do? Okay, I will go to Dev C++. Okay, Dev C++. I will make a note regarding the structure. Okay, I will go to File, New. Okay, now we are to do also structure. Actually, what is structure? Structure is a set of heterogeneous element for representing different data type. Okay. Such a set of heterogeneous element for representing different data types. Okay. Like that. And actually, structure is mainly used for representing patient details or bank details or item details, etc. Okay, still maybe for representing patient details, okay, or it may be bank details, or it may be item details, etc. Okay, in short, here each set of details is called as what? Called as record. Each set of details is called as record. Okay. Coming to arrays. See, arrays are mainly used for representing same data type, and structures are used for representing different data type. Arrays are used for representing matrix format. Structures are used for representing all the details of given organization. Either it may be patient or item or bank or customer like that. Okay. Now syntax for structure. Okay. What is the syntax? First, for that what I will do? First, okay, you declare struct is a keyword followed by variable. Suppose I want to represent employee details, then say int, I'll say employee number, then I'll say char, I'll say employee name, then I'll say size, then I'll say float, I'll say employee salary. Like that you can keep on giving. Then I'll say char, employee department, then I'll say size. Okay, like that you can keep on declaring each and every detail. Then it large with a semicolon. Then we are calling the main function. In the main function we are calling the whole structure. Then we say struct name followed by variable name. Now see, this is for declaring a structure. Now I will show you some program how to use structure. Now okay, I'll go to this one. I'll show some programs related to structure. Okay. So in this now, in this program what I am doing, I'm assigning the value to the structure using this struct variable. I'm using dot operator. Dot operator is for accessing the details from structure to the main function for adding and for printing. And now what I'm doing, I'm using one function strcopy. Strcopy is for copying the name. Okay, copying the name to the variable. Okay, name to the variable name. Then I'm assigning the but usually strcopy function is for only string values, only for words. You cannot use for numbers or decimal values. Okay. Now here, if you want one by, okay, now here what I am doing, now one is for accepting and one is for printing. Okay. Now here I am using only one set of details. Okay. Now see, now if I run this program, I will go to execute, compile and run. This is printing one set of details. This one. Okay. Like that. Now suppose if I want multiple set, what I will do, I will call with different variables. Same thing I will say E1, comma, E2, comma, E3. For each set I will give one variable. Now same thing here what I will do, same thing, okay, I will say Control C, again I will say Control V, again I will say Control V. Now again for the employee number 1, employee number as a second set. Okay. Here I am telling what employee number 2. Employee number 2. Okay. Then I'll say names I'll say same as here I'll say Sam. Okay. And again I'll say same thing. I'll say what E2 and E2. Just I'm changing the variable names. Variable. And again I'll say E2. I'll change the name. Again I'll say what E3 now. I'll say E3. Then I'll say E3 as 3. Then again I'll say E3 dot name. E3 dot name I'll say E name. Then I'll say Ramesh. Some name. Again I'll say E3 dot cell. E3 dot cell. Same thing for printing. Again I'll say what E3 dot number, E3 dot name, and E3 dot cell. Like that I can keep on adding. Okay. Now here what I'll do. Now if you want to now if you want to differentiate what I am doing. Okay. Print employee number details again. Okay. Now one is for first set of details. One is for second set of details, one is for third set of details. I am using three variables for three set of details. In the previous program I was using for only one set of details. Now if I run this program, same program. Okay, again same thing. Let's say what E1 dot num, E1 dot this one, E1 dot that, and keep on changing the serial numbers. E1 for first set, E2 for second set, E3 for third set. Okay, execute, compile and run. Okay. Again same thing here. E3 dot, okay, dot number, E3 dot name, E3 dot salary. Okay. Now see like that. See showing for different set 1, 2 and 3. Okay, like that. See this is for representing each set of details. Okay, like if you want to represent for different set of details we use. Now if you want one by one, again you can say backslash here. Again you say backslash here, like that. Again you say backslash is zero. Now at first I showed I want to represent one set, then I showed second set. Then I tell you how to use structure with arrays. Next program is what regarding structure with arrays. Okay. In this program, here what I am doing. Suppose if you want to represent more than one set of details at a time. Okay, I am using array concept. Now same structure I am telling. Here what I am doing, I am calling the array single dimension array. This in single dimension array is showing the form of index. Now zero position is what first set, 1 position second set, third position is third set, because I tell less than 3. Okay, but 0 will be first set, 1 will be second set, 2 will be third set. Now both for accepting as well as displaying. Here I am using two for loops. One is for reading and one is for printing. Okay. If you want, okay. Now if you want one by one, I'll say what backslash n. If you want space in between, what you say backslash t. Backslash t is what tabular space. Okay. Backslash t. Again you say backslash t. Okay. Now if you want to, if I run this program, this is structure with arrays. Again if you go to execute, compile and run on it. Now here what sharing. Okay. Now one more thing is, okay, E number of EA. Now you have to say not like this, you have to say like this. Let's say E of I, like that you say E of I. Again you say E of I. Okay. Again you say E of I. E of I, you say. Because each set of details are representing. Okay. Here also. Here you say E of I. Both for accepting as well as displaying. E of I. Again you say E of I. Okay. Again say E of I. First E will be 0, then E will be 1, then E will be 2. Okay. Here I will be first 0, then 1 will be then 2. I will go to execute, compile and run. See like this. First it will ask for first set of details. Suppose I will say Rohan. Then I will say some salary. Then I will say employee number 2. I will say Sam. Then some salary. Then I will say number 3. Then I will say Sanjay, some salary. Okay. See like this, printing the details. Like Sanjay, like that. Now this is for at a time I want to accept how many records I want, I can accept or I can print using structure and arrays. Now next program is what? See, next program is regarding nested arrays. Actually what is nested array? Nested array means what? In nested array, see, coming to nested array. Okay. See, nested array is for representing more than one set of, sorry, nested structure. Okay. Now if you want to represent it is used to represent more than one structure. Okay, if you want to use to represent more than one structure, okay, that is called nested structure. Okay, now here what I'll do, I'll go to the program of nested structure. Okay, I'll go to the coding. Okay, I'll show you how the nested structure will work. Nested structure, see here I am using nested structure for represent two sets, one is employee details and one is for date details. Okay, now one variable is for accessing the date details, one variable is for accessing employee details. Now here what I am doing, in the main function I am calling all the different sets, one for structure and one is for date. Okay, now I am telling e dot number, e dot name and e dot salary. This variable I am using variable to call the details of number, name and salary for the structure. Now if you want to call the date structure, I want to call through the employee structure, because the date structure is inside the employee structure. If I want to call the date structure, I have to call the employee structure. I have to say e dot d dot dd, e dot d dot mm and e dot d dot yy, like that. This is for calling the e dot d dot dd. Okay, because e is the employee structure and e is the variable for employee structure, d is the variable for date structure. And if I want to call the date structure, I have to call through the variable of employee structure. Now like this I can access for both for accessing and both for displaying. Okay, now if I run this program, execute, compile and run, see now first it logs employee, because first it logs the outer structure, then it logs the inner structure. And I'll say Navi, then it logs the salary, then it logs the date, suppose date, then I'll say month, then I'll say year, 23. See now it's printing like this. Okay, like that. See, this is for using the program related to nested structure, that is structure within a structure. Okay, this program. Okay, like that. How many programs you want, you can keep on calling. My next program is regarding how to represent a book set of details. Now see this one, same thing. If you want to represent different set of books, okay, now here what I am doing, suppose I will say C programming, suppose I will say like this. Okay, now again I will say here what, now I will say daily program, whether whatever you want you can keep on changing. Okay, then again here same thing. Okay, now here what I am doing, I am using structure called books, then I am telling title, author, these things, then I am calling the main function. In the main function I am calling two sets of details, book 1 and book 2. The book 1 is for this set of details, and book 2 is for this set. I am using str copy function, because first thing you can use str copy for first set of details and second set of details. Then for printing also again what I am doing, I am using book 1 is for first set of details, book 2 is for second set of details. Okay, like that. Like that you can use, you can declare any type of information related to structure, but of different data types. Now again if I run this program, see, now first see this program, see this is the program regarding the structure. Okay, this program. Okay, always you are calling the main structure inside the, you are calling the structure inside the main function with the name and variable. Variable depend upon how many sets you want. If you want 5 sets, you have to declare 5 variables. Book 1, book 2 are called variable names. Books is the struct name which is declared in the structure. Now this is the structure what they are using. Understood? If you want to run, again you got to execute, compile and run. Now like this, it is showing the output of this program. Okay. Okay. Thanks.